Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. Whales are still accumulating XRP. Yeah, whales are overwhelmingly buying XRP versus retail right now. Guys, this could result in a slingshot effect. This coming from Chad Steingraber here on Twitter, and as you guys can see here, XRP price has dipped. As of the time of this recording, it is, sitting under $2.30, and when Sentiment posted this screenshot, it was at $2.25. But guys, look at the whale addresses that are accumulating. This is just continuing to move up throughout November into December. Maybe these whales know something we don't know. Maybe they know about something that's going to happen in 2025. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. But as you guys can see here, whale interest is just continuing to go up, despite the fact that XRP price has gained over 400% in the last 2 months. So, I thought more whales would be buying in, last year, the year before that, but apparently now we're starting to see even more whale activity. Right now, XRP is trading in and around $2.28.5. Currently on Christmas Day, if you guys are watching this video, today is December the 25th, 2024. XRP still formulating this bullish pennant pattern, and we're just kind of, at this point, we're just kind of waiting for that breakout. Throwing this on the hourly. We did see a bit of a spike for XRP yesterday. I think this was, the glimmer of hope for some XRP traders. We did get back up above $2.30, topping out close to $2.35 now as of the time of this recording. As I said, $2.28. So, and a lot more money has been going into altcoins, guys. You guys can see fear and greed is up now by a little bit to 62. Dominance is up to 56.79. We've got volume that's up too by a little bit, 3.48. But as you guys can see, we're not seeing the type of volume in the space that we want to see yet for these higher prices. Market cap is also up by a little bit, but by and large, even though we're not seeing a lot of money coming into crypto at the moment, we're seeing some green on the chart over the last 24 hours. Single digits, but still pretty good. I mean, this is, part of the process. For more information on what I'm doing, you can follow me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. That is where I am discussing my trading strategy, my XRP cash out targets, where I think Bitcoin's going to go, all that fun stuff. So if you want to know when I'm going to be cashing out in 2025, I guess there is technically still 1 week left in 2024. Who knows? Patreon.com/workingmoneychannel for more information on that. Now, guys, we've also seen Bitcoin dominance crashing. This coming from Random Crypto Pal here on Twitter. And, that is what's going to dictate where these, what we decide to do for altcoins specifically. Now, we did see a significant drop near the end of November into early December. That's when we saw XRP get up to new highs. And then the Bitcoin dominance went back up again. So almost hitting the 60% mark here. And now we're seeing higher. So on the chart here, lower highs, not higher highs. And hopefully, for this next push, we do see this dominance get below this level here. So that would be, what would that be here? That would be 54.59% roughly. So now that is going to be the level we're eyeing. The other thing that I thought was interesting, Ito Farina posting this. This was shared on TikTok by Bitrue Official. So this is Bitrue's official TikTok account. Point of view of holders. Imagine life when XRP hits double digits. I'm not going to play you guys the audio. I'm not sure if I'm going to get a copyright strike on it or not. So basically, I will link this in the description if you guys are interested. But I guess the point I'm trying to make here, Bitrue maybe giving a bit of a prediction here. Is XRP going to hit double digits? I mean, that has been the general, the general feeling, the general thought. I mean, even when we look at conservative estimates, we're getting pretty close to $10 if we were to take the Fibonacci here on the from the former high from 2021. If we do hit that full fib, guys, the 4.236, we would get up to $7.45. So that is, where I think a lot of people's primary targets are going to be. A lot of people are eyeing this, looking into 2025, hoping we do see something bigger like, real world adoption. Considering BRICS countries are expanding, I think this is more of a reality than it would have been 1, 2, 3 years ago. Michael Branch bringing this to our attention now. BRICS is set to welcome 9 new nations as partners. Russia hints 4 more to join soon. BRICS will expand in 2025 with 9 new partner states, signaling surging global alignment with the bloc as more nations race to secure ties. Several countries are set to gain BRICS partners starting on January the 1st, following confirmations received by Russia. Referencing the BRICS Leaders Summit in Kazan, Ushakov was quoted by TASS as saying one of the important rules of the summit was to establish the category of BRICS partner countries and coming to terms on a list of 13 states. Invitations were sent to these states, and so as of this time, confirmations of readiness to become BRICS partners. BRICS partner countries have been received from Belarus, Bolivia, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Cuba, Malaysia, Thailand, Uganda, and Uzbekistan. So an interesting array of countries from different parts of the world. Another quote from January 1st, 2025, they will officially acquire the status of BRICS partner states, but we expect that in the near future, responses will come from more countries to which invitations were also sent. Ushakov noted that Eritrea has shown interest in engaging with BRICS, reflecting a growing list of nations looking to collaborate with the bloc. Representatives from partner countries will be invited to key meetings. So I guess you have to be a partner country first before you are a full-fledged member. But, this is no secret. The BRICS nations are going to become a powerhouse in the coming decade, 2 decades, and beyond that. So, this speaks to U.S. dollar dominance. We know Ripple has, officially launched their RLUSD, and we're even seeing now more crypto exchanges officially listing it. So Bullish has now officially listed the RLUSD. Centralized crypto trading platform Bullish has officially added Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin as per a Tuesday announcement. So that would have been yesterday if you guys are watching this video on the day that I'm releasing it. It noted that starting today, eligible regions can trade the following markets, and they give you guys some crypto pairs here: RLUSD to USDC, so stablecoin to stablecoin, Bitcoin to Ripple's stablecoin, XRP to the RLUSD, Ethereum, USD, Euro, and Solana. Ripple launched the stablecoin earlier this month with an initial listing on Bitrue, Uphold, and other global trading platforms as well. Earlier today, Singapore's Independent Reserve listed the token too. So I talked a little bit about that in the video I posted yesterday. If you guys didn't catch that video, I will link it up here in the top right-hand corner. Since the listing, the token has bagged multiple listings in a bid to drive its adoption forward. So we have this brand new stablecoin on the market. Adoption is, predictions for adoption for stablecoins in general, I think is, super, super bullish. If you guys are in the space, you probably already know that. Crypto industry executives are sharing with Cointelegraph what they expect now to be a $200 billion stablecoin market next year. So even without the RLUSD, stablecoins really going to take on a life of their own. And if they are not regulated in the jurisdiction that they are operating in, they are definitely not going to take a share of the pie. So we're eyeing you, Tether. But in other regions of the world, Tether is fully utilized. But in the United States specifically, we are only looking at regulated stablecoins. So multiple industry executives and founders told Cointelegraph that Tether and Circle, the 2 largest stablecoins by market cap, will likely retain their dominance in 2025. So again, to the point of even if countries like the United States don't use Tether, other countries will. Guy Young, founder of decentralized stablecoin protocol Athena, predicted that the USDT will continue to be the largest stablecoin next year and that the total stablecoin market will rise to $300 billion. I expect we cross $300 billion in outstanding. Tether continues to dominate with their existing moat, and the rest of the market is changing by new fintech and Web2 entrants with their own offerings. Of course, guys, they do mention down here the RLUSD. Where was it? Or maybe they don't mention the USD here, but they, here's what I wanted to talk about. They do mention this. Okay, Coinbase, the co-operator of USDC, said that its 2025 outlook on stablecoins are just getting started, as some analysts project the token could grow into a $3 trillion market over the next 5 years. So why this is important? Because of this application for stablecoins. Listen to this. Stablecoin payments. So Visa, which is, by the way, a Ripple partner, expects stablecoin card demand to spike. Visa's head of crypto, Kai Sheffield, told Cointelegraph that stablecoin adoption can modernize and streamline global payments, but that existing stablecoin spending opportunities are still limited. So think of it this way, guys. If they do offer cards where you can actually use your stablecoin to spend or to pay off the balance, think of how that could change so many people's lives, right? You can just start spending on your credit card, your Visa card, and you can use something like the RLUSD, let's say, to pay off your balance instead of having to dig into your bank account, make sure there's money there, etc. If you're a crypto trader, of course, this would benefit you highly, I would assume. In 2025, this demand will only increase as wallets look to capitalize on stablecoin adoption and issue stablecoin linked cards. So another opportunity here to really kind of boost, USD stablecoin dominance. That would include the RLUSD Ripple stablecoin, not to mention all the other applications that would boost XRP utility through, well, not just stablecoins, but guys, the derivatives market. This one, another one courtesy of Michael Branch here. Here's XRP's price. If XRP captures just 1% of the derivatives market, estimated at $1 quadrillion. They're saying a 3-digit figure if XRP captures a small portion of the derivatives market amid community speculations. The global derivatives market is one of the behemoths in the financial scene, with industry leaders insisting its valuation runs in the trillions. Current estimates suggest its notional value could exceed $1 quadrillion. However, some experts question these projections, arguing that they might overstate the market's actual size. Nevertheless, even capturing a small fraction of this colossal market could be immensely beneficial for assets like XRP. If XRP secured just 1% of the derivatives market using the $1 quadrillion valuation, and don't forget, guys, that valuation, by the way, is just the valuation from today's numbers. Think in 5-10 years how much bigger that market will be. So we're saying $1 quadrillion today. In 5 to 10 years, that's going to be larger. So if they only get 1%, this would translate to $10 trillion. Notably, with XRP's total supply capped at 1 billion coins, a $10 trillion market cap could mean the price could be $100 per token. Now, Mr. Man also bringing this to our attention. This is why their partnership between Robinhood, Bitstamp, and Ripple is so important. Remember, they are creating a derivatives market. The derivatives market is about to explode. XRP's ETFs will get the green light under Trump's crypto-friendly administration. The Ripple lawsuit will be dropped, and XRP will soar. I'm going to play you guys this clip here, and then we're going to get into some other things. Listen to this.
Robinhood and Bitstamp drive XRP Ledger into the $1 quadrillion derivatives market. Now, this is a big deal. Robinhood, even though I'm not a fan of Robinhood, and Bitstamp, building this derivatives market is going to be insane, all right? Tokenized derivatives on the XRP Ledger promise 24/7 trading, instant settlements, and fractional ownership. Robinhood's acquisition of Bitstamp could significantly boost XRP's utility and adoption. All right, first I want to tell you this. The reason why all of this news is coming out, because I'm going to share something about what Brad Garlinghouse just said about real estate right now, because it's now the time to jump. Prior to these ETFs coming out in XRP, you're going to see all of the truth come out about the XRP Ledger and what they planned all along. That it's way more than just a token to run a machine for moving currencies and stable coins around the world instantaneously, right? It's a lot more than that. The reason why all this news is coming out right now and in the next couple of months is because the ETFs start firing off in the springtime. That's a foregone conclusion. But Brad Garlinghouse, the leaders of Ripple, want everybody around the world to know what's coming on this blockchain. And they want all of these hedge fund managers to know so that they can start talking to their clients about it, or their clients are calling them saying, I want that ETF. Buy it, buy it, buy it. Okay. This is going to send shockwaves through the price action, because you're going to see volume pick up exponentially, right? And then again, you'll see XRP taken off of the open market and stored away into the rich hands, right? The money managers and all that kind of stuff. It's very easy to spot. All right. Let's, there's going to be signs. All right, here we go. The XRP Ledger is just about to change the financial world with the imminent possibility of tokenization of derivatives.
So I'm just going to stop it there for a second. I don't know if you guys caught what was happening in the right-hand side of the frame here. The OpenFIGI video that was from Mr. Man from about 3 weeks ago. I posted this just at the beginning of the month. Listen to this. Mr. Man here bringing this to our attention, guys. There's a lot more XRP ETFs and ETPs than you may be aware of. It's all happening in the background, guys. More companies are applying for these things. Listen to this.
To all you individuals that don't know about this site, it might benefit you to check it out. This is OpenFIGI, What OpenFIGI is the financial instrument global identifier. Is an established global standard issued under the guidelines of the Object Management Group, an international nonprofit standards organization founded in 1981, owned by Bloomberg. That's not on there, but they're owned by Bloomberg. So if we go up here and check out XRP, you will see all the different ETFs, ETPs, trading pairs, legal stuff for XRP already. Spot ETFs, look at this. How beautiful is this? There's the wisdom tree stuff that had just come out saying that they had just applied for it. This has been here for years. This has been here for years. I've been checking this site out here, following this stuff here. All right. There's over 656 results. Okay. 656 results. I will link this in the link this for you guys here. Check it out yourself. Have a look. Enjoy it.
So I'm going to leave it there. So again, that was a video I did from earlier this month. I will link this video in the description of this particular video that you're watching right now. So OpenFIGI, that again just lists out all those XRP, potential XRP trade-related products that a lot of these institutions are going to be releasing. So again, speaking to this idea that there's going to be more demand, not just for XRP in that regard, but also just in, well, the derivatives market just in general. I'm going to continue playing this clip for you guys. Listen to this.
All right, here we go. The XRP ledger is just about to change the financial world with the imminent possibility of tokenization of derivatives. It tokenizes fractional financial contracts such as futures, options, and swaps as digital assets built on the blockchain, consequently remove some of the inefficiencies bound to legacy systems. According to researcher Mark Avery, fractional ownership also allows retail investors to trade high-value derivatives with lower capital. Now, think about this. In the stock realm, obviously, you can only trade, Monday through Friday, whatever the hours are, right? So here's the question I want to ask you right now. Think about when stocks, they go, hey, our stock's gotten overpriced. Nobody can afford it. It's $100, it's $1,000, or whatever, a share. We need to do a split. So they double the amount of shares, they split the price, and nothing changed the market cap, right? Except they know a bunch of people with not a lot of money can buy the stock. Think about how valuable amazing assets when they're tokenized and split into fractional shares will be as far as people wanting to own things that they normally could not. They did not have access to it. I'll give you an example. Berkshire Hathaway stock. What I'm saying is, can you imagine being able to buy a part of Berkshire Hathaway and be able to sit inside of the success that is the machine of Warren Buffett, right? So that broke down into a very simple sort of thing. That's what we're talking about with derivatives on the XRP ledger, right?
So here he talks a little bit about Berkshire Hathaway. I'm just going to kind of break from that video one more time just to show you guys Berkshire Hathaway. And the stock price here. Now, this is the daily chart. I'm just going to throw it on the weekly for you guys. And look at how bullish that has been, even in times of turmoil, like when we had the dot-com bubble, and then we had the housing crisis, the mortgage crisis in the United States. Berkshire Hathaway held up, and it was because Warren Buffett decided never to dilute the stock. So what's the price of one a share of Berkshire Hathaway? Can anybody guess? $686,919. So, it's very difficult to buy one share of that. So right now, the average retail trader cannot do that, but with a fractionalized option, they can certainly buy a portion of a Berkshire Hathaway share.
So it says speculation over Robinhood's acquisition of Bitstamp, coupled with rumors of a Bitstamp building a derivative exchange on the XRPL, suggests that this is going to be one very ambitious play for institutional adoption. The combination would definitely turn high trading volumes on the XRPL through the combination of a huge retail user base in the case of Robinhood with the more conservative yet robust reputation in an exchange presented by Bitstamp. Okay, so what does that mean? When they're talking about high trading volumes on the XRPL ledger, remember, every time an XRP is moved on that ledger, a little bit of that, a tiny bit of the transaction cost disappears forever. All right. And that part of the code wasn't actually enacted in 2014. It hasn't been around this whole time. And already 13 million XRP are gone forever. Okay. And I know it sounds crazy. 100 billion. I'm going to be honest with you. What do you think the possibility, type yes or no, the possibility of one day Ripple going, you know what, let's burn 100 billion tokens. Just burn them, destroy them. But after everything's running, think about what that would do to the value of not your coins. They don't care about your coins. They care about their coins and all of the banks that invested. See, if they all of a sudden went, yeah, let's burn 100 billion from us, just burn it, destroy it. Now instead of, there's what, $987 billion, is that right? 100 billion. 908, the numbers. They just all of a sudden cut it down by 100 billion. Do you know what that's going to do to the value? It's going to go up. That's how the world works.
Now, you got the numbers wrong there. I think he meant 100 million, but I think you guys get the point. So getting back to this Robinhood Bitstamp collaboration, remember, if they collaborate on the XRP ledger, what this could do to the $1 quadrillion derivatives market. And remember, guys, it's only $1 quadrillion today. Here is the CEO of Robinhood discussing the potential, courtesy of Colin Brown here. Listen to this.
And if you think about a business or an institutional investor, they also want access to the things we offer. They want 24-hour access to the equity markets, they want industry-leading margin rates, a great customer experience. So over time, I do think you'll see us branching more out into serving other types of customers, not just retail, but also businesses and institutions. And to that end, we announced an acquisition of Bitstamp, a global crypto exchange. One of the things that's very attractive about that business is that it's not just international, but also institutional. It gets us access to an entirely new customer base that we're not directly serving today. I think we can do more and more of that over the next 10 years.
We are launching our own derivatives exchange in the next few months, so that's something we are most excited about and really hope to cooperate closely with Ripple there as well. In final stage of integration of really some top 30 commercial banks globally on Bitstamp as a service. So these commercial banks will offer crypto through Bitstamp. So that's definitely something we are very proud of.
And something you should be very proud of, guys. This is going to get humongous. Again, one more clip here of Graham Rodford from earlier this year. How big is the real-world asset tokenization market going to get? And I guess this is projected into Q4 of 2025, so about 12 months. CEO of Archax, Graham Rodford, said $30 to $50 trillion could be trading on the XRPL through Archax and XRP.
No, well, I'm probably a bit more bullish, but I have been for 6 years and we're slightly behind my original projections. But the total market is 1.4 quadrillion, everything that's ever out there. And if you start looking across any of those asset classes, they're all starting to move on-chain already. And the ease with which we've seen people interested in the money market fund, tokenized treasuries and those types of instruments, the support for stablecoins, when you're talking about replacing cash, when I see DTCC, Euroclear, Clearstream, it only takes one of them to flip onto natively digital, and that's trillions of assets on its own that move. So, tens of trillions, I think we could see. And bearing in mind it's 1.4 quadrillion, this is still a tiny slice of a huge market. 30 to 50 trillion, all on XRP, all trading on Archax.
Here we go, $50 trillion. 2 years from now, Ripple, Twitter will replay the session.
And guys, they are eyeing Q4 2025. Maybe they do know something we don't know, the real world utility coming into the space. XRP right now trading just under $2.30. But this could be a thing of the past very, very soon. That's just my opinion. And for more opinions on what I'm doing this bull market, what my XRP targets are, and where I think Bitcoin's going to go, you can follow me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. Again, just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.